What's up guys, Ryan here, and today I'm going to do another install for you guys, and I'm going to be installing the Axion Mirrors from Advanblack. These are a, coffin style kind of design of mirror. They're very cool. They're kind of like a low profile looking mirror design, kind of a new series for Advanblack, and they have them in multiple colors. So they're a billet style mirror. Right? And they have these really cool like carbon fiber inserts in the back, and they kind of might be a little bit difficult to see, but I'm kind of move them around here so you can kind of see those, right? So we're gonna turn them around so you can kind of see that's the kind of style of mirror they are, right? That real kind of coffin look to them, okay? So these are the mirrors I'm gonna be installing on my bike. I'm going to give, I'm not going to actually do an install as much as I'm just going to show you kind of what the old style mirror looks like and then what the new mirror looks like. I may actually do a different thing with these mirrors. So I've always had mirrors on the top of my bars, and I actually had to put some extenders on there, and they're really tall. And so while I don't really hate the way that they look, a smaller kind of more low profile mirror might be kind of cool to run on my bike for a while. So I'm going to try a couple of different ways of mounting to make sure that I can see behind myself. And I might actually end up mounting them below. I know that that's a style that some people go with. I'm going to try it both ways just to kind of see, you know, kind of what looks or what works on my bike and how I can, you know, kind of still see behind me that the mirrors are going to be useful. So I'm going to go ahead and get those installed. Like I said, I'm not really going to do an install per se as much as I'm going to show you what it looks like before and then kind of what it looks like afterwards, because really these mirrors themselves, you know, to do a mirror install, it's like one bolt. It's really not that big of a deal. So for the most part, you'll just kind of get to see like a before and after kind of situation. So let's get to that intro video, and we'll do the before and after, and then I'll see you after the video's over. All right, so here we are with the kind of a before shot. You can kind of see the mirror, and you can also see the larger stem that I installed on that mirror. And they're really high on top of my bars. That's kind of what I needed to do so you could see. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get to that install, and you will see what this looks like when I'm done. So I've finished the install, and you can see that I mounted them on top of the bars. Now the reason why, in this one you can get a really good idea of what that carbon fiber looks like. It looks really good. The reason why I did that, mounting them on top of the bars, was I was able to see behind me. So I've had other mirrors on my bars before that were lower profile like these, but they did not allow me to see behind myself very well. The angle of the bar, of the mirror bar, and I'll show you, that bar right there, that angle on the other non-stock mirrors that I installed in the past wasn't right, and I couldn't see behind myself very well. These allow me to be able to see behind myself. So they are a smaller mirror, and they are a little bit more low profile. However, that angle of that bar allows me to see behind myself really well. So I'm going to be pretty excited about these. I'll be running them on my first trip here coming up, so I'll let you know if they work or not. All right, well there you go. That was a super easy install. It was really more of a before and after kind of situation. 2 bolts, 1 on each mirror, very easy. I'm really gonna like this. I think it cleans up the look of my bars. I didn't really mind the mirrors being kind of so high like I had them, but this is gonna be a much cleaner, more low profile effect. I do really love that carbon insert. I think it looks really cool. I'm not a huge carbon guy in terms of like fenders or bags or fairing or anything like that, but I do think that carbon accents on the bike are really cool, especially on mine with carbon being kind of that gray color, kind of fits in really well with the gray on my bike. So yeah, I'm super excited about this. If you like what I'm doing, give me a thumbs up. Watch the links to the other videos I'll give you. But yeah, I'm really excited, and I'll give you guys like a little bit of a review later on, either on Instagram or a YouTube short or something, just to let you know like what I think about these mirrors and how they really performed and worked for me. So go to Advanblack. They have these in a ton of billet style colors. So they have blue and orange and green and purple, and you know, I put the black ones on mine. Very cool design. Lots of colors to choose from to match if you've got some billet style parts that have been anodized in a variety of colors. So good accent, you know, to kind of put on your bike. So there you go. Thank you all for watching my video. And like I said, if you like it, give me a thumbs up, send it to your friends, whatever you want to do. And this is Ryan, I'm out.